Here's new cool app called Famia. Find my family friends. So if you like apps like Life 360, or if you want to make sure that your family is safe and your kids are safe, this is a pretty cool app. It's a new app, but it's already climbing in the top charts. 2 million plus users, designed for a peace of mind. Famio keeps track of your loved ones so that you don't have to. Thanks to Famio, you always know where they are and when you need to help. So locate your family members, kids, friends, and loved ones in real time, anytime. See your loved ones' location history to make sure everyone is staying safe. Receive notification when they arrive or leave home, work, or school. Create separate groups for family and friends. So yep, that's basically the idea. So let's just give it a try and install it. So here I'm just installing app. Protect and connect your family, receive emergency alerts, chat with friends and loved ones, see their location history, get data breach alerts, create several groups, add your favorite places. So yeah, then you just can open it up. You need to accept, you need to read. And then you just need to start creating your account. And then there is a free trial. So 3 days. Yeah, let's see how it works. So weekly plan, 3-day free trials, and $8 per week, or 3 months plan. It's cheaper, than it's like $230 per week. There is no free trial. And then, but basically you can start creating an account for free. You can create your groups, and then you have this code. This is just like a test code where you can just share your code. This is how it looks like. So you can share this code with your friends and family. Then you can just try to add your address. Keep only while using. You can give access to fitness. So yep. And then you can tap continue. And then you need to go to settings and actually enable location to always. Oopsie. Oh, maybe that was the wrong app, sorry. So yeah, you just need to search for the app. It's not yet appearing, so it just takes some time for this app to appear. Yeah, it takes some time to set up these apps here. For some reason. All right, so now it's working, so you can change it to always, and then you just have it here just like that. So then you have this group, and then you have people. You can add a new member to the group. It can be your family, your kids. You just add them to the group. Then you can see places. For example, you can see places, homework, school. If you just want to add more places, unfortunately, you need to upgrade. So there are like 2 plans. There is premium, where you have, it's a paid plan, but then you still only have 1 group. And then in a premium, you have motion history for 7 days. In super premium, you have it for 14 days. Price per week, $6 and then $8. And then just to have your data more protected in super premium as well. So there you have it, and then you just have your account. You can also hide your location, group management, map layout, and then basically, yeah, you can see who is where. Like you can see, all right, so this is the the movement history of the person, and then you can see where that person was moving, the moving history, and then this can be like your friends, your kids, your loved ones, and then yeah, just yeah, see it like that. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. Also, they have like this driving mode. I don't know what that is, but yeah, then there's like a, yeah, uh, there's safety. You can protect your data. I don't. So also there is like a source button. You can send like a source message to your loved ones via this app to notify them that something is wrong on your path. So yep, something like that, and then you just have your group. You can rename it. You can just change add members. Then there are messages. Then there's like a chat in this group. So yeah, definitely a cool app. It's a nice alternative to Live 360. So there is another app called Live 360. I think it's the top one in this category. But yeah, Famio is one of the top growing apps these days. So yep, try it out definitely.